So today we are discussing about proton pump inhibitors, PPI. So basically PPI is effectively block the gastric acid secretion, which is basically hydrochloric acid, by irreversible binding to and inhibit the hydrogen potassium ATPase pump, which is present in the parietal cell of stomach lining, resides on the luminal surface of parietal cell membrane of stomach lining. Then this is the stomach. Here we will get the stomach lining is there. Here we will get parietal cells. Now we are discussing about indication of proton pump inhibitors. Indications are mainly in peptic ulcer condition, in gastric ulcer, duodenal ulcer, then GERD, that means gastroesophageal reflux disease, then in case of Ellison's syndrome. Then we are discussing about the pathophysiology. There are carbon dioxide is formed in our bloodstream, which get bind with water and forms H2CO3, that means carbonic acid, which again get divided into H plus and HCO3, hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion. Here we will get the mechanism in diagrammatic representation, like these are bloodstream, and this is the sheath cell which produces the pepsinogen, and here is the parietal cell of lining of the stomach, and this is sheath cell, and this is called interstitial space where interstitial fluid is present. Here carbon dioxide is present in the bloodstream, which moves towards the parietal cell. In presence of water, H2O, it forms H2CO3, which is called as carbonic acid. Then it gets divided into H plus and HCO3, that means hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion. Then through the help of this ATPase, which is called as the hydrogen potassium pump, through this hydrogen is get out through this ATPase and go to stomach directly. If hydrogen is go out like that, then another ion should be get into this parietal cell, which will be potassium ion. Then this bicarbonate ion will go through another ATPase and it will go directly to the bloodstream. Then chlorine will be go through this ATPase to the parietal cell, which forms Cl. Like that, HCl is formed and it enters to the stomach muscle and stomach linings. HCl plus pepsinogen, which is produced by the sheath cell, and it forms pepsin, helps in digestion of protein mainly. But when we block this H plus and potassium pump, there will be reducing of the this acid secretion in the stomach. Then we are like PPI, this proton pump inhibitors blocks and inhibit the proton pump, which I have said earlier, which leads to HCl get reduced. Normal pH of stomach should be 1.5 to 3.5, in between this range. But when there is increase in pH, there will be excess secretion of hydrochloric acid due to the stress or like intake of like spicy food and all like this. In case, then we are indicating this PPI, or like indication we have given like this only in case of peptic ulcer condition, gastric ulcer condition, dural ulcer, GERD, duodenal syndrome. In these cases, we are indicating PPI. Then PPI examples of PPI are like omeprazole, pantoprazole, lansoprazole, rabeprazole, etc. That's it.